Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove watermark from our video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for watermark remover, and there will be some websites you can use to remove watermark, but I recommend you this one, Online Video Cutter. You can visit this website and you will be able to remove your watermark here. Okay, here I'm going to upload my video to this website. For example, I'm going to remove watermark from this video. Click on open. Okay, and then we just need to select the watermark we want to remove, like this. Alright, and after that you can click on apply and the watermark will be removed from your video. As you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video. Okay, I'm going to play it to show you. You just need to save this video. Click on the save button and then you can choose the resolution. And I'm gonna go with this one, and we can click on export and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from video for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.